Hey there, my name's Greg King and welcome to my video on how to make money on YouTube for Shopify business owners using this simple 5-step formula. Guaranteed. In this video, I'm going to share with you Shopify owners how you can actually put your sales into your pocket, not back into Facebook ads and Google ads and Bing ads, and basically work for free. And I'm going to also put the link in the description and also in the video. And in a moment, I'm going to share with you how powerful this formula is and how it's going to make a difference to your bottom line and also attract red hot new buyers. Stay tuned. In this post-COVID world, boy oh boy has a shopper's profile and shopping habits ever changed. Used to be a time where you go to the mall and start kicking tires or go down to your favorite store and just look around and browse. Now what's happening is people are staying indoors. They're now starting to look online and actually source products on Google and Facebook. Facebook, not so much, more Google and more YouTube. I'm not a real Facebook fan only because I go there to socialize. I don't go there to buy product. Now, if you want to have everyone who is a bona fide buyer searching on the number 1 and number 2 platforms in the world, you want to look at this pretty seriously. And the only thing I can say is how to make money on YouTube for you Shopify business owners using this simple formula, which I've left the link just slightly before. Videos. You get some videos going and you will crush the market. You will be an expert in your niche and your competition will be below you. Now I'm going to share with you, I promised I was going to share with you some of the examples. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to make an example. I'm going away for a biking trip. Now, anyone that's seen my previous Shopify videos, my wife doesn't give me permission. I just use these as examples. I mean, it's not like I can say, gee, I want to buy a new house. Okay, I want to buy a new Corvette. Okay. No, I'm just using this as an example. So the example is I'm going up to Whistler. There's a bike park, and that's in British Columbia, where the Winter Olympic Games held in 2010, and they have a bike park which is just smoking cool. And what I'm learning now is I know there's gonna be a lot of flat tires, so I want to be self-sufficient enough to get down the mountain. So I want to look at mountain bike pumps. And I see one right here. So I'm going to click on right now and go, oh, that's kind of cool. Okay. Well, the first is some advertising. Then we've got some videos. So I'm going to go over and hit the videos. And there's a bunch of videos and they're all telling me that their bike pump is the best. And there's 9 or 10 different people trying to sell me 9 or different best pumps ever made. Now, what if, and with this formula, this is what happens. You went from here to here and saw the videos, but from there, what you did, you went from here to here and saw the videos of your bike store. That would be incredibly powerful, where you would actually stranglehold the first page with your bike shop, and you can put any product on here. You can put bikes, you can put bike pumps, you can put helmets, doesn't really matter. Now, as I scroll down a little bit and see all these different ads and all these different wonderful things happening, you imagine if you went from there, instead of having that, having this, where your bike shop and you strangled the first page of Google and of YouTube. Now, the cool thing about YouTube making videos is they're both owned by the same company. So if you put videos up, it will migrate over to Google, which is the powerful number 1 search engine in the world. 75% of the people hit that first before making the decision. Then what they do is they go to YouTube and check out your store. That's pretty much what they do. They want to see authentic. They want to see your good, reliable source of buying thing. Now, what I'm going to share with you in the first example, and it's pretty powerful, and that is using this system. I ranked on the first page of YouTube, I ranked on the first page of Google, and on the video carousel in just 4 minutes. So this doesn't take 6 or 7 months to start to source up and have your organics listings try and get to the first page. I'm saying with this formula, you can nail it within minutes. And what's interesting is here I am here, and what I did is with the Shopify stores is I had 2 other videos in regards to this. So I put the examples on here just to see show you how powerful and how immediate this could be for your company. So if you're on the first page, what would that do for your advertising expenses? It would just drop them. Now here again, I was on the first page, and this took 2 minutes. So the first page of Google, first page of YouTube, first of the carousel, all under 2 minutes. Next one, same idea. Page one of Google, page 1 of YouTube in 9 minutes. And I'm bumping people out, as you can see here. This guy's a very strong contender, Neil Palet. He was also endorsed by the President of the United States, and I bumped him out in 8 minutes, or 9 minutes. Sorry, it says 8 minutes right here. I bumped him out, and he's a 3-year-old video that I bumped out in just minutes. Now you imagine with your competition being up there, you think, well, yeah, but they've got money, they've got this, they've got that. No, with this formula, you can go in there and just punch them out of first place within minutes. 3 minutes, first page Google, first page YouTube, first page on the carousel, 3 minutes. Next one, same idea, 6 minutes for first page of Google, YouTube, and the carousel. All done organically, all done for free with staying power. It's just truly amazing how you'll be able to cut down your costs. No, actually, how you could keep your money in your pocket versus just opening it up and having Google and Facebook and Bing's hand in your pocket just to spend the money that you made selling the product and just breaking even or being in the red. I had a Shopify store, and I'm talking from experience. It's tough because the expenses are overwhelming. The platform is awesome, but it's just incredibly hard to keep money in your pocket. Next one, example 6, same thing again. Ranked number 1 on Google, YouTube, and the first in the carousel, 6 minutes. This one, crazy, took 2 minutes. Now, I know it gets a little tiresome watching all examples. What I wanted to show the example and prove to you that this isn't a one-off. This is consistently first page within minutes. You can see again here. This one was crazy because I actually ranked this in 1 minute on YouTube. Now, because I'm becoming more of an expert in my niche, well, whether I am or not, Google and YouTube think I am, they're going to give me a lot more loving. So when I put out videos or information videos with my niche, they think I'm an expert. So they start to actually group my videos together. So this one was done in 1 minute. Now, to my surprise, they took one of my other videos and posted it as well. So I got 50% of the page. Here, I got 80% of the page because the more this matures, the more that YouTube with their algorithms will actually group them and think, gee, this guy is knowledgeable in his field. Let's give him loving. 100%. So, as I mentioned before, imagine instead of, I'm going to have to pick up the video, I don't know where. Imagine if you were here and look at all the pumps. But what happened is instead of the pumps from every different company and every different pump, all they had was you on the front page. How would that make your business work? It would crush your competition. You'd absolutely smoke it. Now, what happens now is with the YouTube videos going up, Google giving you love, YouTube giving you love, now Google puts you in the carousel. The carousel is this. So once again, I'm going to see where we got it here. This was the carousel here. And it has different manufacturers, which is great. It's got 3 different ones. But what if, when you do this and do it as per the formula, you were hitting strangleholding it. Now, the cool thing about this is this came up even when I put in a slightly different search engine. And it's also happened again when I put another slightly different search engine in. So it's pretty incredible how Google and YouTube, well, YouTube because you're making videos, gives the lovin', and makes you an expert in your niche. And this is how you're going to smoke your competition. So after seeing this information, if you could rank number one on YouTube, not only rank number one, but also rank 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, put a total stranglehold on the first page, rank number one on Google, be in the carousel and put a stranglehold on that, cut down your advertising costs by 50 to 100%, also crush the competition and get all these brand new red hot buyers, would you do it? Heck, I would. This is pretty much a no-brainer. This is going to make your business explode and how you can actually be a front runner in your niche. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss another video. Have a great day.